Unity and the strength of the collective. Sons and daughters of the divine path, listen well. The time for division has passed. The strength of one is great, but the power of many is unmatched. In 2025, let unity be your foundation, and let wisdom be the mortar that binds your walls. Do you not see how the enemy thrives when you quarrel? How the forces of destruction take root when brothers and sisters turn away from each other? The hunter does not chase a herd, but preys upon the lone wanderer. Those who stand divided become easy prey to forces that seek to strip them of their destiny. I tell you now, cast aside petty grievances and lift one another as the sun lifts the dawn. The Orishas do not war among themselves, for they know that together they balance existence. Oya moves the winds, but Shango brings the storm. Yamaya carries the tides, but Ogun forges the tools of survival. Each has a role, and so do you. You are not alone, and you were never meant to walk this road in solitude. Make peace with your brothers. Settle disputes with wisdom, not pride. Do not let ego become the shackle that binds your spirit in chains. This year, I call upon you to uplift each other. Your strength does not come from standing apart, but from standing together. A divided temple crumbles, but one built on unity stands against the fiercest storm. When the people of the village build together, none go hungry. When the voices of the wise speak as one, ignorance is defeated. In times of hardship, do not turn against your kin. Instead, lock arms and walk forward as one. Let the healers heal, the warriors fight, the teachers teach, and the builders build. Let each fulfill their role without envy, without resentment. When the walls of the temple stand strong, all within are protected. This is the lesson for you in 2025. Unity over division, wisdom over pride. Do this, and no force can break you. You are many branches of the same tree, and together you will bear great fruit. Let no hand sever your connection. Stand together, my children, and the world shall know your strength.